Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a BMW 1 Series guys, first series BMW, and you need to remove and replace key fob battery, stay with us and we'll explain guys how to do that, everything from start to finish. Now that should cover BMW 1 Series guys, F20, F21 and F40 as well. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this one here guys, we make more than 200 videos guys, we take them completely apart. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video, that's all we need in return. If you need to buy a new replacement battery, we'll have the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can purchase it from for a really good price guys, and fast shipping as well. Now that same key fob design guys has been used on BMW 5 Series, 1 Series, 3 Series guys, so that's the same key fob design. Let me show you guys, okay, what we'll be doing here now and how we'll be replacing it. Now if you have the 4-cylinder gasoline N20 engine on your BMW 1 Series guys, stay until the end. We'll share some information that can save you thousands of dollars guys, and instead of buying a new engine. So let me show you, okay, what we'll be doing here and how we'll remove and replace the key fob battery. This is guys the key, okay, right there. So what we need to do, flip on this side, press that button, okay, remove the key. Once you do that guys, okay, you get a small screwdriver inside now. Okay, let me flip it this way. Inside right here there is one clip that you need to pry up. Okay, it opens the cover and you pull it out just like that. On the inside you can find the battery guys. This is a huge heavy duty battery, but they still do die sometimes. Okay, pull it out. This is the battery. We'll have the link in the description of the video below for the replacement new battery. Get the new one, push it in, okay, just like that. And what we need to do next, okay, you need to get your cover, and you can see here on the front end it slides in, then here that click guys. Perfect. Okay, right, we're ready to go so far. The only thing left now is to reinsert our key here, and this is it guys. Now if you guys, okay, if you have that 1 Series BMW with the N20 engine, the 2.0 gasoline engine guys, now as you can see this is the open that we removed out of that BMW with the same engine, and this is the timing chain guide pieces guys inside. This engine has problems with the timing chains, and this car developed it only at 87,000 miles guys. So if you want to see more about that engine, how to fix it, how to remove and replace timing chain, video is on our channel guys. It's called timing chain replacement on BMW N20 B20 engine guys, so check it out, because otherwise replacing the engine guys costs thousands of dollars. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.